This guy witnessed an auroral substorm expansion, one of the most beautiful phases of an aurora. Do you want to see the Northern Lights in person after watching this?